Oh! Woo! That's the goal. On Saturday, October 7th, the goal of hiking Mount Temple today, if it's safe to do so, and if not, Sentinel Pass. Oh my, is it beautiful here. So this is absolutely one of the most beautiful places I've ever been to in my life. Just about to get up. Oh, Sentinel Pass. Nice spot for a picnic.
I know, right?
I hear the views are pretty good up here. I'm 1,000 meters up and about 700 to go. Feeling pretty awesome. I'm comforted that there's at least one hiker above me and a couple more who are coming up. About 250 meters from the summit of Temple Mountain. I'm pretty sure I'm going to go for it. Hello from the true summit of Temple Mountain, 3,543 meters. It's cold up here. I'm going down. So pretty intense making my way up to the top of Temple because the wind picked up. The sky's still clear. There's no weather coming in that I can tell. So I felt fine to go to the summit, but then up at the summit it was really windy, cold toes, and then scrambled my way down the ridge. But no time for faffing. I need to get down. I can hear some voices, which means I believe there's other hikers coming up. This gives me great comfort. So I'll have people behind me coming down, which is great for my safety and for theirs. Hello there, and welcome to another episode of Tony Esteves juggling in beautiful places. I've just come off of the summit of Temple Mountain, which has been like a bucket list hike of mine for a long time. Outrageously beautiful, 3,543 meters above sea level, over 11,000 feet. And on my way down now, close to Sentinel Pass, and I suppose the message I would like to offer today is that if you've got hobbies you want to explore, things you've always wanted to do, keep in mind that life is fragile, and you may not have a long life. So don't waste time overworking when you could be over living in the healthiest of ways. I suppose that's my message. Yeah. And see if you can find someone to do those things with you. Interesting turn of events for today. Got a little delayed because I had to do a rescue. There's a chimney here on Mount Temple, and my new friend Andy got stuck in it on the way down, so I had to go and assist that. And there's another man named Peter who's here as well to help us, helping him down right now. And glad I was there. I just kind of waited and had a little extra sandwich to see if he could get out of it. I had already gone down what I believe to be a safer spot. And and sure enough, he got stuck. Now I gotta put both my hands back on these posts for a safe descent for me. What a gorgeous day. Coming back to Sentinel Pass. Super grateful. My body was up for this. So I'm here with my new friends, Peter and Andy, and we're coming down from Temple Mountain up there. How was the day for you today?
The day for me was an adventure.
Yeah.
I saw that climbing by yourself could be very dangerous.
Yeah.
And I also noticed that it's always good to have a friend when you're in need. This
Yeah.
friend can help you and save your life.
Totally.
That's my lesson.
And how about yourself, Andy? Any thoughts about today's adventure?
Sure, it's a beautiful day. From the morning when I wake up 6:30, come here 7:30, started to hike. Everything was amazing, gorgeous. And at 12:30, got the chance to hike to the Mount Temple. But when I got down, something bad happens. I got stuck. And it's very fortunate we have Tony here, saved my life.
Yeah, and Peter. Peter stuck around to help
And
as
also
well.
Peter, yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say it's a
Covering your
beautiful
back.
day.
Yeah. Good. Well, hey, nice to meet you both.
Nice
It's
to meet you.
I meet people all the time, but this is a first for me. So nice to meet you. I'm glad we're all safe.
It's a great day.
Beautiful. All right. Ah, I can't believe we were up there.
Ah,
Unreal.
wow.
Unreal. Woo!
That's impressive.
So this is the large valley. Valley of the 10 Peaks. I'm tired. I woke up at 4:20 this morning. It's after 6 p.m. now. Less than an hour to go. I hiked up that today. And then further than that too. That's Mount Temple, as I've been saying in my videos. I'm tired. I'm so happy. Now I'm going to e-bike back to a parking lot, drive to Lake Louise, get cleaned up, have food with Renee, and sleep like a baby. So tired. Here's a call to action. Check out talktomorepeople.com if you want to learn how to bring more people, opportunities, and experiences into your life. I wrote a book on the subject. It teaches a step-by-step process for people, even if you are introverted. Some things you can learn there about how to connect with people. And I know from experience that can completely, positively change your life. Thanks for watching.